Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Rolex Oyster Perpetual 31mm in stainless steel with a pink dial. Not the candy pink, but the regular pink, which was discontinued around probably 2024, 23, something like that. I'll be telling you a little bit about the history of the Oyster Perpetual. Then I'll tell you about where this watch stands in the lineup of other similar Oyster Perpetuals. Then I'll tell you about the case bezel dial bracelet movement. I'll finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start. This is a size 31. Now the Oyster Perpetual comes in lady size 28, 31, 36. And for men, it comes in 36. Actually, also used to come in 39. Now it only comes in 41 for a medium and large size for men. And what you're looking at here is size 31 for ladies. It's a mid-size, and the Oyster Perpetual came about. It's the most basic line. People think that the Datejust is, but actually there's one even more basic, which actually does not have a date, only has a time only, making it the Oyster Perpetual. And it's the most basic. It's a starter watch for Rolex, but that doesn't mean that it's the cheapest actually, because I'll get to it in a little bit and tell you about why this one can be actually more expensive than some Datejusts. Okay, but anyways, the Oyster Perpetual only has the time only, and in 2020, Rolex revised the Oyster Perpetual to have a reference number. This one has a reference number of 277200, and the new reference numbers, which is what you're looking at here, has a few slight differences that are a little bit better than the old model, which I'll go through when I talking about the details of the watch. Okay, so in 2020, they came out with some fresh new colors like a green, a yellow, red, and then they came up with, I think they came out with a candy, that's right, they came out with a candy pink as well as the pink that you see in front of you. So the pink that you see in front of you here is not actually candy pink, it's just a regular pink, or salmon you could call it, pink, salmon. And then they started coming up with super new colors, these pastel colors in 2025. And they reissued the candy pink. They came up with like a lavender, a beige, a sort of greenish color, another green color. So they came out with a bunch of new colors, and they came out with a celebration dial, and let's not forget the Tiffany blue. So all these different colors that they started using on the Oyster Perpetuals. They didn't do all these funky colors on the Datejust, just on the Oyster Perpetuals. Okay, so now let's start talking about the watch itself. And this is one of the funky colors, the candy pink. Which, by the way, I was telling you that these colors, when they do these funky colors, it actually makes the watch sell above retail and even sometimes more expensive on the secondary market than the regular Datejusts. Okay. All right, now let's move on here to start talking about the case. Now the case is 31 millimeters, as I told you, and that's from my thumb to my index finger. Medium size is going to fit most women with a wrist size between 5.5 and 6.5 inches. Not much to say about the case other than it's steel. It's all brushed. Let's move on to the bezel here. It's also a dome bezel. They don't make it in any other configuration, just a dome bezel, and that is in steel as well. And it's a high polished steel, but it still makes the watch very durable. You can basically wear it in any situation. Then let's start to talk about the bracelet. Now the bracelet is different from the previous generation in that it does have a comfort extension. The old ones did not, and that's what I was telling you at the beginning of this video, that they revamped it, and so now it fits much better. They only make the Oyster Perpetual on the Oyster Bracelet, and this Oyster Bracelet is actually a couple of characteristics is that it is brushed finish, and also the logo is recessed into the bracelet as opposed to the crown on the Datejust, which is exposed, which makes it a little bit even more durable than it already is. Along with the satin finish, makes this watch really almost impermeable to scratches. Okay, now let's move on to the dial. Now this dial I told you is pink. Okay, so they make another variation of it candy pink. They removed it in 2025. I don't know if they're going to bring it back again. So look, if you want to buy this pink dial, you can only buy it at jazztime.com. Okay, now they make many different dials. The one you see here is pink. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. So there you go. Okay, time to try this watch on my wrist. Now I'm a man, this is for a woman, but you know, you get the point. And it's a great watch in the sense that it's very durable. It's not that expensive. It still sells above retail, but a lot of things do sell above retail nowadays. In fact, even cameras sell above retail. I tried to buy a camera the other day and it's actually selling above retail. Would you imagine that? So you know, anyways, so it is selling above retail, but it's still a great watch. It's very durable, very good looking. It's the right size, and it would be a great present for any woman. So there you go. And you want to buy it, go to jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.